Welcome to Rave and Rant, where we praise the praiseworthy and roast the rest. Each episode, we dive into reviews and tips on businesses, health, products, and services that matter to you. Now, let's meet our dynamic hosts. Julian, a seasoned entrepreneur and tech enthusiast who keeps you ahead of the curve. And Olivia, our health and wellness expert with unfiltered takes on the latest trends. Together, they'll help you navigate what's worth your time and what's not. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an episode packed with honest opinions and valuable insights. This is Rave and Rant.
This is the brief on starting loofah seeds indoors. Okay, so you know loofah, right? That gourd that turns into a natural sponge? Well, it's a tropical vine, and it needs a super long growing season. We're talking 150 to 200 days. So if you're not in a really warm climate, starting these stubborn seeds indoors isn't just a good idea. It's pretty much the only way you're going to get actual sponges before that first frost hits. First up, it's all about timing. Especially if you're gardening in a cooler zone, say 5 through 7, you've got to give these plants a huge head start. That means getting those seeds planted indoors about 4 to 6 weeks before your last frost is even on the radar. Second, let's talk about getting them to actually sprout. These seeds have this really tough outer shell, so the trick is to soak them in warm water for a full 24 hours before you plant. And then, and this is key, you need a heat mat to keep that soil consistently warm, somewhere between 75 and 85 degrees. Don't rush it though. This can take up to 3 weeks. And finally, once they pop up, you got to treat them right. Loofah seed shoots down a big main root, a taproot, really fast. So start them in at least a 4-inch pot so they don't get cramped. The second you see green, give those little seedlings like 14 to 16 hours of bright light every day. And I mean bright. Keep the light just a couple of inches above the leaves. Otherwise, they'll get all leggy and weak. So yeah, nailing these indoor steps, your timing, the heat, and the light, that's the secret to making sure your loofah gourds actually turn into sponges before the season's over.
That's a wrap for this episode of Rave and Rant. We hope you found our insights helpful and thought-provoking. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. If you enjoyed the show, please leave us a rating and review. It really helps us reach more listeners like you. Have a topic you'd like us to cover or something you want us to rave or rant about? Connect with us on social media or visit our website to share your suggestions. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring what's worth your time and what's not. This is Rave and Rant, where we praise the praiseworthy and roast the rest.